Hello again, it's John, and I wanted to welcome you to I think this is day 5 of my 30 days of updates about how I make money online, and as in the past few days, starting in my Fiverr account, because that is my main source of income right now for my online business. And the change that happened, basically, I had a lot of money that went from pending to available for withdrawal, so that shifted. I did deliver one gig today, but I still have almost $1,400 worth of gigs I've got to finish up, and then looks like I'll have a few orders coming in over the next few days based on some of my interaction with some folks that were interested. I still have a lot of side projects that I'm working on, as I've shared before, some software that I've picked up, actually some really good PLR, private label rights, products that I've picked up that I'm going to convert into videos. Some that I'm going to add actually to my membership site. I use a service called Product Dino as a way to protect my content and to sell products and things like that. And so I'm going to be adding some of this private label rights to that as well. I did want to share with you today a little bit about Clickbank. So let's go over to Clickbank. So some of you may be familiar with Clickbank, but if not, I'll just talk about it real quick. It's one of many affiliate platforms. So Clickbank is a platform where sellers can list their products for sale, and affiliates can come on, look through the different products that are available, and decide if they want to promote them or not. So a couple of nice things about Clickbank. The first and probably biggest one is that once you establish your Clickbank account, which is free to do, and almost assured that you're going to be approved to be an affiliate. So once you have your affiliate account set up, then you're basically approved for the most part to promote almost any product. Now, some sellers will limit who they allow to promote, or meaning you have to apply first to promote their product, but that is very rare. And the other nice thing about, so just a couple of things. I'm just in my Clickbank account, and you can see I get, pretty consistently about 15 to 20 hops. Hop being someone clicks on a Clickbank link and then, goes to the sales page, and then whether they make a purchase or not. So obviously the more hops you have every day, the better that you do. Now, Clickbank, the other great thing about it, besides free to join and almost assured you're going to get approved, is they have a wide variety of products. So a couple other popular affiliate platforms in the internet marketing niche that you may have heard of are JVZoo and Warrior Plus. There's also Zaxa and a few others, but JVZoo and Warrior Plus are the two big ones. Now, the only thing is those products are almost exclusively in the internet marketing niche. So they're teaching about how to make money online. They're selling software that helps you do that. It all revolves around, kind of internet marketing or make money online. Where Clickbank, the big difference is they have a section for that. So here we're in their marketplace, and if you scroll down, here's their different categories. And so they do have, e-business and e-marketing. And so they have, quite a bit about how to make money online: affiliate marketing, blog marketing, copywriting, pay-per-click advertising, etc., video marketing. So they have, but this category is kind of all you see as far as like on JVZoo or Warrior Plus, the e-business and e-marketing. The thing about Clickbank is they have tons of other categories: arts, as seen on TV, betting, business, computers, cooking. Have a ton of health and fitness. They have a lot of good different green products. So if you're into alternative energy, conservation, etc., a lot of health and fitness related. Everything from physical health, exercise, diets, weight loss, mental health. Lots of home and garden type things, politics, spiritual, as you can see, just lots of different options. So that's the very cool thing is, maybe you decide you want to get into the self-help niche, right? So they got a whole section about self-help. So you can click on the self-help niche, and it'll bring up the self-help category, and then you can sort these results, right? And so, well, first of all, it's just saying, hey, it's displaying 1 out of 10 out of 773 results in the self-help niche. That's huge. That's a ton, almost 800 different products just in this one category. And you can sort them by, hey, what's most popular in self-help? Well, this one is His Secret Obsession, basically how to, attract men, kind of a dating thing. And then you can look down here, how much money is usually made on the first sale, the average per sale, etc. And then this gravity, 120.03, that tells you, it's kind of an indicator, well, how popular is this? Are people really buying it? Are affiliates making sales from it because people are buying it? And so when you're on here, you can sort either by popularity, typically, hey, what's most popular? Or you can sort it by gravity. Now, that may be the same thing. Well, in this case, it is, right? The most popular also has the highest gravity. And so then you can choose, if you want to learn more about it, you just click on this, and that'll open up the sales page itself. So that's going to open up here in a second. A lot of these will also have, it's coming up slow, a lot of these products on Clickbank do have video sales letters, okay? And so that's what comes up. And then when you X out, sometimes I'll go to a text sales page. Many of them also will have an affiliate page, which can be very helpful. So, for example, you can, many times on the affiliate page, so here they have, different banners that you can use to help promote this, emails that you can use if you do email marketing, some reviews, different hooks and angles. And so, this is pretty good stuff, right? This can really help you in your efforts. And sometimes they'll want you to put your email in, but a lot of times they'll have a link that just says, hey, take me to it, right? And then, well, maybe this one doesn't have banners. So let's go try this again. And not all of them will have these kind of tools for you, but a lot of them will, okay? And so these are banners that you could put on, your website in a sidebar or in a someplace on there. They also have some different banners that you could use for Facebook ads. These are product image banners. Where they have Facebook ad ideas, text newsletter ideas. So that's just one example. And again, not all products will have all of that, but a lot of them will. And so a big, category, health and fitness. Let's just take a look at that real quick here. And what you'll see, so again, now it's the highest gravity is this Cinderella solution. This is a fairly new one, but you can see it's got a gravity of 364. I mean, that's really crazy high gravity. That's probably also going to be tops in popularity because it's so new. And you can see if we go to gravity again, you can see, the top product has a gravity of 364, and then the next one drops to 254, and then it drops to 207, and then to 136. So you see quite a big drop. And then it goes from 136 to 102, down to 77, 74, etc. So you can see this is a super hot product now. Now, the good thing about that is it's super hot. Obviously, people are interested. It's converting. People are making sales. That's why it's got a high gravity. The downside is, is it going to hit a saturation point? Are you going to promote it? Or are you going to spend money on ads to promote it? And people are like, I've seen it already. Don't want to see it again. Because it's so popular, they've seen it. So Clickbank is a great place to find products to promote. Most of them, again, you don't need to be approved for. There definitely are some that you have to be in. Here's one. I'll just pull up Organifi. So if you click on it to promote, it's going to, instead of allowing you to pull up your link, it's going to say that you got to be approved first, okay? So that's pretty rare. You'll find a lot of great products on here that you can promote easily. Now, I do have a Clickbank marketing course that I'll go ahead and offer you for free since you took the time to watch my video. You made it to this far. So there'll be a link in the description box down below. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. Hit the like button if you like the video. Hit the dislike, thumbs down if you don't like the video. And then don't forget to get your free Clickbank marketing video training course down below. It's called Clickbank Marketing Secrets. This is what you'll learn. All kind of how to pick a niche, 3-layer conversion system, how to pick a product, keywords, etc. It's right here, and you'll find it in the link below. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. Catch up with you tomorrow.